Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Ashley and I'm so happy to have you here with me today. Today is Vlogmas day 13. Can you see my little screensaver? Wait, where is it? It won't focus. But, oh, it's me and Bentley. Our little Christmas picture we took, which I love. But yeah, it's Vlogmas day 13. Just did my skincare and kind of got ready for the day because we are going to go see the House of Gucci in the movie theaters, and today's probably gonna be another chill day of vlogs. But when I get home, I'm writing them down right now. I plan on doing a bunch of sit down videos, so I'm gonna write them down. One of them is gonna be how did I come up with my pricing. So I'm gonna do like a couple like that. I just saw somebody like that one on YouTube today, so that's a good idea. It was like, how did I come up with my pricing in Chicago? And then I think there was like a couple other ones I'm gonna record as like part of my Vlogmas and post those on days where maybe I'm not doing as much, but I'm still gonna post my days as an esthetician as well. But yeah, if you guys have any suggestions, link them, or not link them, comment them down below. Like any sit down video ideas, because I want to bring more business back into my channel as well, because I do that every day, so I'm trying to do more of that. I'm trying to think, there was like other ones. I think I want to do pros and cons of owning a business, because lately it's been a little stressful, so I could add a couple more cons to this list. Where did I have that? But yeah, just kind of like video ideas like that. And of course, yeah, I'm still gonna do these, but
you are, what you believe in, and tell them you love them.
do you think you'll need more than that? Probably. Shoot. I'll show at least the chicken and the eggs and the breadcrumbs. Very nice. But yeah, maybe. Because I feel like you used a lot at my apartment, so you might need more. So.
This is Ashley, 20 minutes late.
No. I was in shorts and you want to turn out the door. Oh.
Yeah, okay. Wow. So big. $5 Target. And the lights are $2 Target.
True.
The doctor is ready.
Under 1,000 Christmas lights. Another year went by so quickly. It's Christmas time again. Even though we both get busy, we still have time to talk for hours on end. I'm glad I got to know you better. We've come so far since that December. Would've known I would've made my best friend on that night. Under 1,000 Christmas lights. Like stars sparkle from the trees. Glad I found you. I'm not alone. It's you and me.
True. Very nice.
Don't apple tea.
I'm glad I got to know you better.
Thanks for making me dinner.
Of course.
They were making some cookies. That's what I meant.
Yeah.
Okay.
I found somebody, I say you don't cross my mind. And she doesn't know that your favorite place is still mine. Now I take the long way home, avoid what I can't